This is the Charlotte collection. Now, Charlotte is my daughter, and I thought that I'd be the coolest dad of all time if I named a curtain and roller blind ranged after my daughter, but I can assure you that's not the case whatsoever. Charlotte's 16 and a half, and she reminds me every day that I have to change it, but I'm not going to. I'm going to stay firm. I've got a beautiful Charlotte cool white in a block out and a sheer curtain. I've got a warm white, I've got a light grey, and I've got this beautiful black. So I'll just put the fabric down. The blockout fabric is a beautiful sort of satin finish. It's a tonal fabric, so it's the same color on both sides, and it's really easy to clean. And we've matched that with the beautiful Charlotte sheer curtain fabric.